Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you a fan of sci fi, adventure, pop culture, the 80s? Then you need to pick up this book, Ready Player One by Ernest Cline. I'm notorious for telling everyone that the book is better than the movie, and this is definitely one of those books. It is so much fun. It is a page turner. It's fast paced, exciting. It is funny. It is such a good read. Even people that aren't normally readers, like my husband, absolutely cannot put it down once they start reading.
It's just like a nerdy daydream. It's so fun.
I have loved this book for years, and I always recommend it to everyone who asks a recommendation from me. So I think that you should definitely pick up a copy of Ready Player One. You will not regret it. It is such a good book. And that is my point of view.